Hello everybody, in our video we'll take the solution of an integral problem. The problem is, integral, sine x minus cosine x dx. The solution, to solve this, we split the integral into two separate parts, integral sine x dx minus integral cosine x dx. We now handle each part one by one. First, we find the integral of sine x. The integral of sine x is minus cosine x, because the derivative of cosine x is minus sine x, so integral sine x dx equals minus cosine x. Next, we find the integral of cosine x. The integral of cosine x is sine x, because the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So, integral cosine x dx equals sine x. Now substitute both results back into the original expression. Integral sine x dx minus integral cosine x dx equals minus cosine x minus sine x. Don't forget to add the constant of integration at the end, and final answer is minus cosine x minus sine x plus c.